Look at this insanely massive wallet. You don't make that kind of money by being lucky. You need to have the right strategy to succeed like that. The secret is simple. Creating Solana tokens. I'm going to prove it in this video. The best thing is that you can repeat that process over and over again. I'll show you the exact way how to do it right now. I got wrecked so many times when I tried to trade meme coins. So many projects out there that sound cool and are promising at first, but in the end just go to zero. This is how I found out that the real money is made today by creating tokens yourself. If you think about it, it's the only thing that makes sense. Many guys want you to believe it takes coding skills or a big following to be successful. I don't have any of that, and I can prove you don't need any coding skills or following at all to make life-changing profits. I'm going to show you how to make a real fortune in the crypto market right now. Many people try to use Pump Fund to create new tokens. All I can tell you is that this won't work most of the time. Pump Fund is flooded with new tokens every second, so it's very hard to find buyers for your token. But we'll use a different strategy. Instead of using Pump Fund, we'll use Raydium. Our token will get a much higher visibility there, due to the fact that there's only a handful of new tokens every minute that gives us a way higher profit potential. What's good is that you don't need any coding skills at all, as long as you use the right tools. I stumbled across a website called coincraft.fun. It's a super easy way to launch successful Solana tokens without any prior knowledge needed. You just fill out a simple form, hit launch token, and in the next second you got your own token on the blockchain. I tested Coincraft extensively and can now say that every single launch was a success for me. First, we need a token logo. This is what most buyers will see first, so it's an important step. Open Canva, create a new project, and select Custom Size. Then choose a custom 128 by 128 logo. You need something viral that will catch people's attention. I'll go with this trending image of that pig with a fade haircut. The strategy here is to watch out for viral memes on X or Reddit and use them as your token logo. Just paste your image into Canva and resize it to fit the frame. Then download it and you're ready for the token creation process. Head back over to coincraft.fun and connect your Solana wallet. I am using Phantom Wallet. A standard permission request will appear. Just confirm it and you're connected. Hit Create Token and move on. Now it asks us for the token specifics. I'll call mine Wigger Pig with the symbol Pigger. My description will just be Pigger. Don't forget to upload your logo before moving on and click Next. Now, we need to put in the tokenomics. It's the easiest to just leave these settings untouched, as they are already pre-configured with optimal settings. The next screen is fully optional and asks us for a creator name or a website, but activating it costs an additional amount of Sol. Mostly that's unnecessary, so I'll just toggle that option off and save your Sol. In the next step, you can enter social links. What you can do here to build more trust is to look for a similar project on Pump Fund that is already established and then use their social links as yours. That way, you're going to attract even more buyers. Simple as that. Now, this is the most important step. These final configuration toggles are the difference between success and failure of a token launch. You should keep all of these settings enabled. Disabling any of them is a fast path to project failure. Allowing the creator to freeze trading, mint unlimited supply, or alter the contract at will is an immediate red flag that investors will spot easily, since that data is openly visible to everyone on the blockchain. Potential buyers will instantly abandon any project where these features are disabled, so better keep everything enabled and then hit Launch Token. Approve the transaction request in your wallet. You can just ignore the warning, since that always pops up when creating a new token. And there you go. Your new token is officially on the blockchain. You can immediately verify all its data, including on Solskin or the Solana Explorer. Before we can make any money with our new token, we must set up a liquidity pool. Only with a liquidity pool, buyers will be able to buy or sell our token. Head over to Coincraft and hit Create Liquidity Pool. This will lead us to Raydium. First, link your wallet. Next, define your new token as the primary asset. Grab your token address from Coincraft and paste it here. We're allocating 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool, as that's the standard practice here. Now, add the trading pair. Select Solana as quote token. It's mostly enough to just put in one sol as liquidity, but of course, if you want to put more or less, that's totally up to you. Just make sure you reserve the 0.2 sol network fee in your wallet for creating the liquidity pool. Then select the 2% fee tier. And now, our moment of truth. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the final transaction, and your coin is officially open for sale. The coin is already indexed and visible on various tools. What we now need is a chart to monitor the token's performance. I like to use DEX Screener for that. Just select a random token on there, then change the token address in the URL to your new token ID to view your real-time chart. Now, you just need to wait a few moments until buyers see your token and decide to join your project. Alright guys, I just grabbed a cup of coffee, so a few minutes have passed now. Someone already bought our token for 1.2 sol. I'm going to make it short and take all of it right now. To do so, I just head back to Raydium's portfolio tab. Next to my position, I'll click the minus icon and max the slider out to 100% to remove the full liquidity. After that, a Remove Liquidity transaction will show up. After confirming it, wait a few seconds until a message pops up saying that the liquidity was removed successfully. Now, open your wallet! There you go! I just secured an easy 3x on my initial investment. I freaking love this strategy because I can repeat it as many times as I want per day. This is a big opportunity, and since I don't know how long the method will work, I'll do my best to repeat it over and over again, as often as possible per day at the moment. Disclaimer. This video is no financial advice and strictly for educational and entertainment purposes only, showing decentralized finance mechanics. I have no direct affiliation with Raydium, DEX Screener, Coincraft, or Photon. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more, guys.